Earlier this week, we reported on sexual harassment allegations within the Bradley County Sheriff's Department after we received a letter from a concerned employee. Elise Zwick tells us how those cases are usually handled within government entities.
The U.S. Equal Employment Opportunity says it receives 12,000 sexual harassment allegations each year. Attorney Robin Flores tells us how these cases are investigated within departments.
You have two tracks on which investigations can occur involving officer misconduct. You have a criminal track and you have an administrative track. They can occur at the same time.
Attorney Robin Flores says internal affairs investigations start with the basis of 2 Supreme Court rulings as the standard to be followed.
So you have 2 U.S. Supreme Court decisions which guide this. On the criminal end, it's Miranda v. Arizona. Then you have New Jersey versus Garrity. Same type of situation. Warnings. You have to warn a person their right to remain silent in Miranda. In Garrity, you give them similar warnings, but you also notify them, the target officer or employee, that whatever you say in this investigation cannot and will not be used against you in the criminal case.
He says it is at the discretion of law enforcement to determine whether charges turn criminal or not.
Law enforcement are the gatekeepers of the criminal justice system. They can, within their discretion, they can bring criminal charges, bring criminal investigations, or not.
In the case of the Bradley County Sheriff's Office internal affairs investigation into the allegations of sexual harassment by Captain Jerry Johnson, Flores says it was up to Sheriff Lawson to determine if accusations were criminal. Some of the accusations he was accused of are the following: shutting his door and turning the lights off with her in the office alone, then standing over her and touching her legs with his legs while asking her if she likes the dark, putting his hand in her pocket and touching her hip with his hand, and sending sexual memes via text messages.
It only rise to criminal misconduct if, one, there's some type of, you better provide me these favors or I'm going to fire you. Now that becomes extortion and official misconduct if it's a government employee forcing someone else to do something against his or her will.
It is reported in the open records report of the investigation that they were not criminal. Therefore, the DA's office didn't investigate. The Bradley County Sheriff's Office released a statement regarding this case, and that can be found in full on our website. Reporting in the studio, Elise Zwick, Local 3 News.